Okay guys, I'm gonna show you what's inside of 1999 or 1995 phone.
Yeah, but you cannot open it, but it's already been break.
An old phone, remember?
Yeah,
That's an old phone.
Yeah, it's broken
So
already.
I tore it open in the last video, not the first video I made about the phone. Wait, no, not the 2020 phone.
This
old phone, and I deleted the phone video. The same phone as this one. And here's what we discovered. We tore it out open.
The bell?
And there's 2 ring bells.
Yeah, look. Whoa.
Stop imitating stupid stuff. So, I don't know what is this. What is this?
Well,
Let me know in the comments down below.
Bro, well, that's connected to that, and then
Maki,
and then
molim te,
that
čuvaj ga da
goes
navučemo
to this.
najlon. Molim te.
Šta da privučemo?
Ne, ti čuvaj dudu, mi stavljamo najlon i to sve.
Okay, bro. Stay safe.
Okay, safe.
So, these are the electricities.
Yeah.
So, let me just stand it up with the top of the phone. So, these are... Wait. If I turn it around, it looks like a robot from a future. It looks like a robot from... It looks like a robot from future.
No, bro, it's like a funny dude.
It's like a robot.
Funny dude.
Future.
Funny dude.
It's
Bruh.
like a crazy...
Bro, look at yourself.
It's a funny dude. It's a funny dude robot from the future.
Bro, like,
Guys.
bro, like. Bro, tell me what
Wait a
this
minute.
is.
Ah, I know. This is a torn out cable when I opened it aggressively. So it got out from this little thing.
Bruh, tell me what this is.
What is
wobbly
this?
thing.
What is this?
Well, I will tell you. Well, when I press down, then the sounds go to this part of the phone. And
I don't know. What is that? Ah!
Dude. Bro, you're crazy.
I'm not a guy from Scream Powered Microwave,
Ooh.
but I'm from my channel, Mac Into the Phone. Make sure to subscribe to me for more awesome videos.
Yeah, subscribe.
And to leave a like.
Yeah, leave a like.
Okay. Peace.
Bye.